Hi guys, I hope you're having a great day. I missed you guys. All right, this is going to be the last one for our kindergarten year for 2019-2020 school year. Okay, this is it. So you can go back and rewatch all the videos. There should be 30 of them after today that you can reuse over the summer to kind of help you refresh and get ready for first grade. So let's start with our Days of the Week song. Ready? Days of the Week. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. What day is it today? It's Thursday, yes. What's the date today? Good, it's the 4th. All right, and our month. Let's do our months one more time this year. Ready? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. There are 12 months in a year. All right, so what month is it? June. The end of the school year, it's June. Let's say our whole date. Today is Thursday, June 4th, 2020. All right, so today is Thursday. What was yesterday? Good. Yesterday was Wednesday. What's tomorrow gonna be? Tomorrow's Friday, and it's Fun Friday, so I hope you have something fun planned for your Fun Friday. Okay? What season is it now? Summer, remember? Winter, spring, summer, fall. So it is summer. Okay? What's the weather like? Whew, it was really hot today and sunny. So I'm going to put out my sun and this guy. This means really hot. It was really hot. All right, let's get started on our last lesson. All right, guys. Do you know what this is? They're dominoes. Maybe you have dominoes at home and you can use these to help you learn part, whole. Okay? We're going to go over how to use these to help us with part, whole. It's like you can use them for addition, you can use them for subtraction. So we're going to go over and do some problems together. I'm going to show you. Okay, so this is how many? 1. How many is over here on this side? 5. So our parts are 1 and 5. What does 1 and 5 make? Good. It makes 6 because we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. All right, let's try another one. This is an easy one. What are my 2 parts? Yeah, 1 and 1. And what does 1 and 1 make? 2. Awesome. All right. What is this one? How many over here? Oops. How many over here? Good. That's our 5. And I want you to get to where you're subitizing these super fast. You just see it and know that shape means it's a 5. All right. What is this? 3. What does 5 and 3 make? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or watch how else I can count that. I can go 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Let's look at another one. What is this? What are these parts? 0 and 5. What does 0 and 5 make? Awesome. 5. Now let me show you by sharing my screen. Oops, that's not the screen I wanted to share. There we go. With you, okay? I'm going to show you how we can make this onto a part, whole screen. So you should be able to see my, oops, my, um, my number bond. Okay. I'm gonna hold up a domino and we're gonna figure out how to do it on our number bond, where they could each go. All right, so we have what? How many on this side? Yep, 6. Okay, what's our other part? 3. Ooh. And what do 6 and 3 make? What's my whole? Good. 6 and 3 make 9. And I can write that as 6 plus 3 equals 9. And there's my whole equation. So the dominoes to the number bond to the equation. Okay? Let's erase and try another one. Okay? All right, what is this one? And if you have a number bond at home you can make and try and fill it in with me, that would be awesome. All right, ready? This side is going to be what? This side over here. 5. What's my other part? Oops. 5 and 2. Oh, I don't know why I wrote like that. I must have grabbed a funny pen. Let me say something. No, I did. I grabbed a silly pen. All right, let me try that again. 5 and 2 makes what? How many altogether? 7. So my equation would be 5 and 2 equals 7. Right? Because 5, oops, 5, 6, 7. Let's do one more all together. Let me erase this first. Let's erase. Okay. Do one more. All right. What are my parts? Yep. 2 and 2 makes what? 2 and 2 makes 4. So my equation will be 2 plus 2 equals 4. Awesome work. Okay, so this is something you can practice at home all summer long. I know you can do it. You're going to go ahead and practice doing those. You can use dominoes. You can use whatever you want. Draw your number bonds. Write your sentences that match them. The last thing we're going to do for the very end of the year is we are going to do a count to 100 song. Count along, guys. Count it, okay? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 27, 29, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, at 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Now we're at 50. 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. Now we're at 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. Now we're at 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. Now we're at 80, 82, 83, 84. 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. Now we're at 90. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and then we made it to 100. I can make it to 100. I can make it to 100. Great job, guys. I am so proud of you. Now remember, you need to count to 100 every single day this summer. So when you come back and are in school again next year, you're ready to go. Watch these videos as much as you want over the summer. Have a great summer. I hope you have been practicing all this spring, and I hope you continue to learn and practice over the summer. I cannot wait to see you all again very soon because, like I always say, I miss you and I love you, and I can't wait to see you again. I love you. Have a wonderful summer, guys. Bye.